Welcome. This is Jean from the Inky Owl. Thank you for stopping by. Today is the flip through of the purple journal I've been working on. This is a guest design team project with JaneybJournals, and I'm going to put her link down below. Beautiful kit. It inspired me quite a bit, and what I chose and what I put in here. Really loved working with it. I also want to give a great big thank you to everyone who participated in the vote as to what kind of spine to put on the final lace to put on the spine. I have this tied up, but it lays pretty flat considering that it's a little chunky, but it's not too bad. Anyway, so we'll start with the spine. I chose option C. It had the most votes. Might be hard to see, but this is like a piece of lace with some beading, purple beading on it. I like it. It's really simple and delicate, which is really what this kit is. And also want to point out that this is not a real plate, though it looks like one. It really looks like one. This is part of the kit, and it's really cool. You get some that are blank, some that have some words in it. Get a nice selection so that you can use it for other things for sure. This is a frame that I put around the Graphics Fairy image. This is a Reader Digest book. It is purple, sort of a faux leatherish kind of look there. Love it. Just really nice size. Love this size. The end paper is this beautiful marbling that I use to put around the frame. Inside is a deep purple cloth in this to bind the covers, to help bind the covers together. Although I still have the original binding on here that came with the Reader Digest book, and I reinforced it, so it's going to last a long time. And this is one of the first page. I must have flowers and always, Claude Monet. This is beautiful graphics there. I put some stenciling inside on some of the tea stain papers. And most of these cards are from her, but I do have some Mrs. Coggs in here. And this is from her Lavender in the Garden digital kit. Beautiful kit that I thought just went well with this with Janie B's work. There's a little collaging I did on that glassine bag. So there's lots of places to write in this journal. This is some lovely dyed paper that was in Happy Mail from Jo Beth, the Jo Beth Crafty Cauldron. It was just perfect. Thank you, Jo Beth. Just perfect for this journal with a nice little vintage lace there. So that was fun to work with. It's another page from the kit there, as well as that one. A little bag with these lovely little delicate flowers. Here's, I believe, one of the pockets we made with in Dee Dee's challenge. Pretty sure this was one. I shrunk down one of the kit's envelopes, left it open for you in case you wanted to write inside, or you can glue it back up for an envelope if you wish. So some of this paper here, why am I caught? Some of this paper is left over from other projects. Here's one of her journaling cards there, and I slipped in a little piece of paper that I usually keep my grocery list on inside here because they had the beautiful purples in there. And then there's some vintage lace here on the side. This is from the kit there. This is from a vintage book. This is those beautiful watercolor book that I showed you last time. And this is one of the collages that I put in there with Mrs. Coggs' image, and you flip it open with some journaling there. You could put like a little picture photo there. That'd be really pretty. And on this side, it becomes a little tuck spot. Some of these I've sewn around and added tea stain paper, but not all of them. I wanted to be careful with the bulk inside here. Here's some little lace down the side. And here is one of her full pages. Just simple, but very lovely. lacy, very feminine. Here is a envelope that comes with it, and I left it unaltered so that you could add right on the inside if you want, or you can make it into a envelope yourself. So really loved the colors in this kit because you could go lavender, you can go lilac, you know, you really had some options there. And the green that she put with it, very soothing. I guess that would be the word for this. This is a very soothing journal as far as visual goes. Here's another one of those flips and some writing on the inside there. There's some more. Little spot, collage spot there. There's one of her tags. This is a vintage checkered ribbon for a belly band there. Another card. These are from my porch prints, these cutout flowers. I just added in here as well. So her kit really can be combined with so many other things. It's just soft enough that you could put more things with it. Now this I'm really excited about. This is the first time I've done this and I love it. I love it. This is from Dawn at the Book Vandal Shop, and I'm going to put her link down below the pattern how to make this. I just love doing this. This was super fun. I did alter it somewhat, but it pretty much is what she has in there. So this has a little area here to store, and there's more room in here to put more things in, but a little area to store some stuff. And I have from a vintage botanical book, I've got a little journaling card, and these are left over from another project, and these are images from Queen of Mirth, and I'll put her link down below, her beautiful blossoms or something, and I'll put it down. But they were just made wonderful, beautiful journaling cards, and they're mounted on cardstock, so they'd be perfect for like a photo mount or something of that nature, or even to write on, or whatever you want to do. I really love it. See all these beautiful colors, this beautiful green inside the kit. Yeah. I had so many purple kits that I was looking at, and I'm just so happy she reached out to me because I love it. I love it. And here's a little notebook here. It's a hard cardstock. So you can take these brads out and then make new papers, put holes in them, punch holes in the new paper and put it back in. So you can refill this. And it just slips over this little belly band right here, like so. Then here's a slit pocket that we made a few videos ago. I will link that down below to show you how I made it. And that goes up here, like so. Then you open up inside. The little folio is just so cool. I just love it. And here's some little journaling cards there. So I shrunk down her pockets that she has with the kit and just added some embellishments to them. Here's a pocket with a tag. A couple of little journaling cards. Another one of those botanical images. Just love how this kit came together. I have some ribbon to tie this up with. I left plenty there. It might be more ribbon than what you want. And then here's another beautiful spread in her kit. And here's a journaling card with some lace on the side of the belly band. Let's go. Even the tiniest of flowers can have the toughest roots. Love the quote. She's got several quotes in there. I really like them all. Here's a little tag. And another flip out with some more journaling there. And this is another one of her images from Mrs. Cox. Here's an envelope from the kit. One of the labels, I shrunk it down to make it small, but it says memories on it there. Of course, I guess you can read, right? This is a printout of a vintage letter that you can write on the paper if you like to. I added some postage stamps there. I'll put that in the side. Yeah, lots of places to write. And another journaling card. If every flower wanted to be a rose, spring would lose its loveliness. Yep. We can't all be roses. We all have to be different kinds of flowers. We're all flowers, but we need to be different kinds. That's what makes the world such a fascinating place. Here's a little seed packet. You can put something in there. Yeah, like that. Going through here. The other one. Just love these images. And a little bit of collaging with a little vintage button. Card there. Another tag. Inside the pocket. And we come to the end. Very nice, my little label in the back. Love this purple marbling. Just think it's so beautiful. Well, that's the journal. I thank you so much for watching, and this will be in my Etsy shop. It should be up there when this goes onto YouTube. So I appreciate it, and I will be back later. Thanks so much. Bye.